Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a funeral program card. Let's begin by mentioning the things you can't do. On this template, you cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me point out the artwork for you. It's the roses on the top and on the corners. You would also see them on the inside of the program. If you want to move the roses around, you want to go to the top right and click unlock. That is going to allow you to move the roses around the template. I'm going to lock the item again. Here you want to click on each section that you want to change. So I'm going to click on this section and it's grouped. That allows me to move all this section together. If you want to ungroup it, you go to the top right and click ungroup. And now you can go ahead and select each section and start modifying the information. You would want to do the same thing down here, ungroup, and you can start changing the information here. You can change the color of the background here, the color of the text, the size, and font type. Let's upload our own picture here. I'm going to select a random picture. Now we want to modify the inside of the funeral program card. Here, this section is grouped as well. This one, and this one. You want to click and click ungroup, 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 and ungroup. Now you can go in and edit the information. You have the Spanish template below. You also have the prayer card. So this is a 3x5 inch card. You have the English version up here and followed by the Spanish. On this section you want to click and edit the information. You can also change the color of the cross here if you wish, the color of the background as well. The text can also be changed. And you have the prayer information here. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a fabulous day.